Hello everyone, let's start with today's topic. So before starting the video, I just want to request you all, if you're liking my content, so please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So today we will discuss about basic geometrical ideas one must know when he or she is studying mathematics, and for the competitions and interviews. This is a very important topic. One must know the definitions and have clarity about these geometrical figures. So first is what? First is line segment. What a line segment is: when we have 2 points, so to reach from A to B, one person can go this way, second person can choose this way, three more ways are drawn here. So the shortest route between A to B is known as a line segment. So what is the shortest route among all these ways is this line AB. So this is not a line, basically this is a line segment. So shortest route from A to B is known as a line segment, and AB are the end points. AB, these 2 points are known as the end points of a line segment. Notation for the line segment is AB and this line drawn over it. So this is the notation for a line segment. Next is what? A line. What a line is? What is the definition for a line? So when we extend a line segment indefinitely in both the directions, from B onwards, from the left side to point A, we are extending this line segment indefinitely in both the directions, it will give us a line. So notation for line is what? AB with this sign. This is the sign for line. With this sign, this is the notation for a line name is what? AB. So generally we denote the lines with the small alphabets like L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, etc. Generally we write these alphabets to denote a line. So next is what? Intersecting lines. So if we have two lines L and M, so when the two lines have a common point, that is known as intersecting lines. Here two lines have a common point which P. So any two lines having a common point are called intersecting lines. Fourth one are the parallel lines. What are parallel lines? When there is a constant distance between two lines till end. So till infinity they are at a constant distance. They are not meeting at any point. They are not meeting at any point. So they are at a constant distance. So these such lines are known as parallel lines. Here P and Q, two lines are parallel lines because they are not meeting at any point. Next is what? Ray. What a ray is? A ray is portion of line. A ray is what? Portion of line. This is a line. So if it's extending to one direction, see this is A, this is B, here it's going on, this A point is fixed, it is known as initial point. Initial point. So this is what a ray is? Ray is a portion of a line with a fixed point known as initial point. Such lines are known as rays. So AB is a ray which is a portion of line. This is the notation for ray. Link is known as what? A curve. Whatever we draw or doodling is known as a curve. Suppose somebody is sitting idly and draw this. Somebody has drawn this. Fine. Somebody has drawn this. So all these are curves. But in mathematics, a simple line segment or line or a ray, all these are what? These are curve too. These are under the definitions of curve in mathematics. Generally we don't think this is a curve, but in mathematics it is considered as a curve. So because somebody can draw like this also, so this is a curve. So what is a simple curve? What a simple curve is? A simple curve is a curve which is not intersecting itself. What I am saying, not crossing itself. A curve which is not crossing itself. Suppose this is a curve. Yes, this is a curve and it is not crossing itself. This is a curve also. It is not crossing itself. Now, this is a curve, but this is crossing itself. Two lines are crossing here, so this is not a simple curve. It is a curve, but not a simple curve. So, let's talk about open and closed curve. Open curves are open curve, closed curve. So open curve is, this is a open curve. Fine. This is also a open curve. This is also an open curve. Yes. But what a closed curve is, which is closing at any end. So this is a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. This is a closed curve. So you can clearly see the difference. Here curves are open, here curves are closed. So these were the open and closed curves. We can easily find from the diagrams. Next one are the interior of a curve, exterior of a curve, and boundary of a curve. Boundary of a curve. So if I have this curve, say I have this curve, so the inner part, this complete inner part is known as interior of the curve. The outer part here is known as exterior of the curve, and the boundary is the lines or the curves which are forming a curve. So this is the boundary of the curve. So the interior part of the curve is also known as region of the curve. This is known as what? Region of a curve. So next is polygons. After simple curve, open curve, closed curve, interior, exterior, boundary of curve, we'll discuss what a polygon is. Polygon. Polygon is number one, simple curve. Second is closed curve. So we have discussed both the curves. We know that what is a simple curve and closed. Third is properties. It must be made up of all the line segments. All line segments. Yeah, it must be made up of only with the line segments. For example, if I have this curve, yes, we can see that this is a simple curve. Because why? Because this is not crossing itself. Yes, this is a simple curve. Next, is it a closed curve? Yes, this curve is closed from every side. So this is a closed curve also. Now we will check the third condition. Is this curve is made up of line segments? This is a line segment, but this is not a line segment. This is a curve. So this is not a polygon. Not a polygon. So let me draw another figure. Is this a polygon? Yes. Why? Because it is simple, it is closed, and there are four line segments. Name it as A, B, C, D. So AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, CD and AD. Yes, it is a curve. So I'm asking you a question. Is it possible to draw a curve with two line segments only? So we'll check whether we can draw a polygon with two line segments. So somebody can draw like this, somebody can draw like this, somebody will draw like this. So this is not simple. This is simple but not closed. These are two curves. Fine. So there is not the possibility to draw a polygon with two line segments. To draw a polygon with how many line segments, we can draw the least figure of a polygon. So we must have three lines. So we must have three lines to draw a polygon. So this figure is known as what? Triangle. So triangle is a basic polygon. All the squares, rectangles, hexagon, octagon, pentagon, all these figures, or rhombus, all these figures are what? Generally known as polygon, because these are simple closed curves made up of only line segments. So this was all about the basic geometric figures. Rest further in next videos, we will discuss about the angles and triangles and many more. Thank you for watching. If you are liking my concept, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.